Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about what is table in a structured query language. So the table is also known as relation, and the table is a simple form of data storage where the collection of data is organized in terms of row and columns. Like in example, here we have one table which is comprises of columns and rows, and all the columns are called fields and all the rows are called tuple, or it also called as record. So one table can have specific number of fields, but the table can have large number of records or tuple, and the whole table is called one relation. Now to create one table we have to use the create table statement, and the syntax is first we have the create table keyword and then the name of the table. Now inside the parentheses, first of all we have the name of the column followed by the data type of the column, and after the comma we have the name of the second column followed by the data type of the second column, and this way we specify the number of column our table going to have, and at the end we have to put one semicolon. Like an example, to create one table called employee, we have to write the keyword create table followed by the name of the table. Now inside the parentheses we have to write the name of the field followed by the data type of the field, and after the comma we have the name of the second field followed by the data type of the second field, and this way we can specify the number of fields our table going to have. So in this case our table employee going to have 5 fields: ID, name, salary, age and gender. So our table will look something like this, where we're gonna have ID, name, salary, age and gender, where the ID will store integer type value, the name field will store alphanumeric or varchar type value, the salary will store integer type value, the age will store integer value, and the gender will store varchar or alphanumeric value. So this way we can create the table employee. Like an example, to create one table, first of all we have to write the use databases command to select one particular database, and then inside that database we can create our table. And now we're gonna create one table called employee, and the employee table will going to have the fields ID, and the ID will store integer value, the field name will store varchar value of size 20, and the salary field will store integer value, the age field will store integer value, and the gender field will store varchar value of size 20. So if we just execute that, so we have successfully created one table. So this way we have successfully created the table employee inside the database called my database. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.